Hello everybody and welcome to this world famous episode of a Runcast. Unfortunately I'm alone, I have no guest today, but I'm gonna give you an update on the web just to tell you that only through word of mouth and Twitter, half of the main sponsorship options of the web, which can hold at least 1,000 people and we can go up this year, have been booked by partners. Google has been the first one to book it, and there are three type of options. One is the main kind of sponsors, so we expect this year to have top level sponsors, and I want to thank again Nokia, Microsoft, Google and the other last year. There is a second option and two of them went out today. One of them only by Twitter, and I think another one will go only through Facebook. And there are also 10 startup options which we had a lot of demand for last year, which are smaller booths only for startups. I want also to tell you we have a very exciting venue this year, which is like a small campus with 3 rooms. One will be only for the plenary session, the other one only for the startups, because that you liked, I know, last year, and the last one only for networking. So it's very exciting. Thanks for all your help and suggestions. December 11th and 12th. Keep helping in the Facebook group. Thanks.